Welcome to this brief introduction to Pandas. In this video, you will learn what this module is used for, and we will take a look at the most important data types in Pandas. First of all, let's ask ourselves what exactly Pandas is and why it's useful. It is a Python package for data analysis, and we can use it to manipulate data, for example, to pre-process data before working with it. It also works well with other packages like NumPy. But instead of raving about the capabilities of Pandas, I will start by showing you some of the features. Just a quick note, I created the code beforehand and will paste most of it, so don't get hung up on the code snippets. This tutorial is more about what you can do with Pandas and understanding that rather than how to do it, as there are many ways to achieve the same result. So after importing the module, the abbreviation PD is used by default to shorten the code. We can jump right into the classes that ship with Pandas. First of all, we have the series class, and you can think of it as a simple list written as a column. And we will give this list a name and take a look at the output. As you can see, the values we entered appear on the right, and on the left we have the corresponding indices. Each series object has both of these properties, and we can take a look at them, just like this. And we can also specify the indices as a list when we create a series object, just by using index equals as a keyword. And now we'll have a look at it. And as you can see on the left-hand side, we have the corresponding indices, A, B, C, D, and E. Next up is the most commonly used object, the DataFrame. And you can think of it as, and it really is, a bunch of series objects bundled together to form kind of a spreadsheet. And as with a series object, we can just create one and take a look at it. In this case, we've used a dictionary for creating it. And as you can see, we again have an index column on the left, and on the right are our different columns, namely marks, name, and subject. And as I said, there are several ways to creating a data frame. We could have used a list of lists for the values, and then specified the columns separately too, which should result in the same data frame. Yes, it does. So those are the main classes we will be using in this tutorial series. See you in the next video, where we'll take a look at input-output, some basic functions, and pre-processing basics.